Good afternoon, SMF Street Traders. Here we are. What are we doing best? Today's date is 9/25/2010. The time is 12:41 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The other nice thing about it is that we're going to be looking at the SMF Street bull market ETFs and bear market ETFs and the MMTs. And remember, MMTs, whether you're from another country, you qualify to be an SMF MMT. And SMF MMT is an SMF market maker trader. And that's what you are. You can be it. All you have to do is sign up under the International tab, and feel free to enjoy our free 5-day trial, and you'll find everything you need to know right then and there about who we are and what we do. The bear and bull count is we're going to be taking a look at where the top side of the bull has made the move, and we're going to take a look at markets where the bottom side of the bear gets put in. So basically the SMF MMTs that are in the program are actually trading SMF capital, and they're being trained, and they also have a trading platform designed by SMF that empowers their entries and exits and risk management skills. So what I'm going to do is show you a complete analysis of the differences that are key as far as related to indexes. Now that we know, what we have done is we have gone and we have picked out the financial bull right here. And we've also picked out the financial bear. Both are ETFs. The bear is the FAZ, and once again, the bull is FAS. So let's take a look at the ranges on both. This is the bear. Back when we had the rally in, we were long, that long rally up to that April 25th top that we were calling for. And when we had that long rally, this came all the way down and found that 3-week bottom, and bam, this is the trading range right in here. What I want you to understand, though, clearly, is that during that rally, which ended right there on this last correction, is fine. The thing I want you to realize is that 1828 and 2230, somewhere in this vicinity, is that that high did not go up and test all the way here, let alone it did not take out this price action half above here. Never closed above this bar. So that means that as far as this goes in the shorter term is that we're going to come down here and test this breakout. This is a breakout off the bottom of the 3-week, number one. Number two breakout starts about right here and gets up to that top. Notice that that's where it started, but it also started coming down, and it started closing below half of its weekly bar right here. And then we bounced up, but we couldn't close above it. There was that sell tail. You're still below half of that bar on this particular bear ETF. So let's draw a horizontal trend line so you can see it clearly. And here's half of that bar. Here's that slide, that long week, a wick. All week they were selling into it, and you close back below half of it. Now you're coming down, and breakout started here. It was confirmed on the second move up to this top where we had this reversal. Now the thing about it is we're going to watch to see if this holds support or if we drop down in there. That's the problem down with this one, is that how far this 4-week reversal goes is going to be the opposite side of how far that this bullish breakout here will occur on the bull financial. So basically, if we're going to break these support levels 1 and 2, then bull is going to break resistance over here, and bull has got another horizontal weekly bar right here that let me make sure I have it correct for the MMTs, which I do. So basically we've also got this upper end of this trend line. We're going to have to break above half of this weekly bar right here. And basically that half weekly bar right there. And I'm just drawing these out for the MMTs. They have their own platform. They're not going to use a standard chart. The standard chart is to let people like them understand that right here, that 10-week moving average is flattening out. That was the buy bar on the bull. And the bull's got support right here at half of that SMF weekly bar. So basically, if I keep building above that blue line, that's called the SMF 10-week moving average line, is that 10-week has a reading in the SMF system. The system says if I close 4 weeks above it and I'm not going down like this, then that trend is getting momentum at half of that bar. Right there is the key support. We hold there and we flatten out. We move up toward the 25 handle here. And then we'll break right up to that trend line, and that's half of that SMF bar. Here's half of that one up above the market. Naturally, the SMF traders know that you can come all the way mathematically down, but like they've seen in the September rally, because you can also come right back up and make double tops. It'll be dependent, though, that this is working in the right way. This was that crossover. That's where the momentum came from off the bottom for the bull financial. So we want to make sure that we're in harmony with both sets of movements and how those movements are going to work. Because then if I short here, or if I'm shorting this here and I'm going long here, I'm getting paid twice. I'm making money as this falls, and I'm also making money as that breaks out. So basically it doesn't matter to the SMF MMT which way that these go, because we're constantly buying the breakout one. We're constantly buying the breakout one and shorting that one, or we're constantly shorting this one here and in this long move over here. It really doesn't matter which way it goes for the MMT. Their special capabilities that they learn here at SMF Street. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say that non-U.S. citizens, foreigners, are happy to be here because there is no qualification. You all qualify, and you qualify to be in the SMF trading division. And once again, you're very important. You deserve the best that one could put out to people, and so you're welcome to get this kind of training. Now, back to the charts on the bull and the bear and the financials is that we will be aggressively long on this side, because this side of the trend right now is showing the strength in the bull. Okay? Whereas if this bear does get support in here and it starts to change around, and we'll let the SMF platform, our system, tell us when that happens. Whichever case happens, we'll be ready to make that move, because there is a great move here. This one is the one that's building to the upside right now, and we're at double bottom breakout support on the bear, and the bull is going to come up and it's challenging this horizontal bar right there, and it's closing above this bar right there. This is the key weekly bar on the upside of that MMTs. So we want to be very well aware that I'm consolidating above half of that weekly bar, and that's bullish. Okay? And if I stay above a closing price above that blue line, that 10-week moving average, not to mention, yes, the upside has got a lot of resistance and work to do, because you have the 20-week cross over that pink line. That's the 50-week moving average. And that better hopes that the 20-week will have to flatten out, because any upside up in here is going to get extremely vulnerable at resistance if that 20-week descends in price. It's going to have to flatten out. Let's blow that up for the MMT. That's this one right here. That's that red line. That's got to flatten out. And the bull, the upside of the bull has got that as a support, but it's going to have a lot of problems through this price action right here. And we will conclude the bear and bull financials. And once again, it's always a privilege of making sure that the MMTs actually understand the movement that's going to happen in price action in bear and bull counts. Because at the end of the day, it's all about getting that paycheck and using the SMF market maker trading platform to guide you in strength and sell you short weakness.